What's up, fam? We are back in Moab, but this time I'm meeting up with Eli and Rusty, two badass helicopter pilots who are willing to let me fly around their helicopter to get some sick shots of us just doing crazy stuff. I'm of course a little bit nervous about this whole experience because most of the stuff I fly, there's not really many serious consequences if you fly into it, but with the helicopter, you know, that's very, very expensive and it could really hurt someone.
Hello. Didn't see you there.
I know I can fit here.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, we're down on this side.
I need to know at what point when I get close to you is the video just going to be so shaky to the point where it's not usable. You ask him to orbit around us.
Will you orbit around us?
You ever flown a helicopter, Nico?
Tell myself apart from dancing, people,
Here we go.
And 90 knots inbound. Here we go.
They're pretty low. They're at the water.
There we go. If they can turn right now to the right, that would be sick.
Can you turn around to the right and come back?
I can't really see where I'm landing.
Okay.
Can you tell me if the patch is clear?
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. Come back over here. Up here on a hill.
How's here? Is here good?
No. You might tumble if you go there. A little bit more. Right here.
Drop?
Tap. Yes, drop.
That was pretty sick. Let's start doing stuff that's a little bit faster. That's exactly what I'm talking about. And Eli, when you're doing this, can you keep an eye on your speed and kind of report back to me, like how fast you're going, so I have a better understanding?
So we'll just creep up right here, and then 40, 30, 20, then flip over, down we go.
Do you see him?
He's down by the river.
Alright, 90, and starting our climb.
Yeah, I see him. I'm on it.
40, 30, and...
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. Tom, I'm landing, switching batteries, but I was on him that whole time. The cool thing about flying around a helicopter is that you get instant feedback on which spots are turbulent and which aren't. You drop a couple feet below a certain threshold, boom, you're just getting whacked and tossed around by turbulence. You get a couple feet above that, it's butter smooth. Now I'm driving over to Fisher Towers and they're gonna pick me up from the parking lot. I don't typically drive off-road in this van, but let's see how it handles. We should be good. Can you do it? I can't believe I'm doing this. Please no more streams. Fuck, this is pretty deep. I think I'm gonna have to leave my van here and hike down there because this is a bit much. There's the heli. I gotta get to it. I need to get over there. He doesn't see me. I missed the extraction, guys. I'm a terrible soldier. I've been left alone to fend for myself against the elements. I can still hear them, but they're somewhere far. That's right, folks. No soldier gets left behind. That was a false alarm. We're back into a state of hopelessness.
I just finished loading them up there. The next thing we're gonna do is kind of find a flat spot up there and go up there and land and chill. Okay, and then start like messing around. Okay, so you want me on this or no? Let's get you on this. Okay. This is so cool.
Just got dropped off on this cliff. If they don't come back for us, we're kind of screwed because there's not really a way down. Tell them that I'm coming up from behind.
The FPV's coming up from behind.
Okay, we're at 60 knots, just orbiting.
Ask them if they can tighten that circle anymore. It's okay if they pick up speed.
Are you guys good to tighten the circle a little bit more?
I can only get so fast and so
Okay, that's okay.
I can tell.
Just tell them to keep holding what they're doing.
No worries, just hold what you got then.
Oh, this is cool.
It's fucking wild.
Alright, gotta switch to right circles or everybody's gonna vomit.
What did he say?
Everyone's about to vomit.
Now, and I want to make a right turn.
Okay.
Level out and make a right turn.
Got a full cabin and no sick bags.
Fair enough.
Getting dizzy in there.
Oh yeah. So sick. That was pretty sick.
Yeah?
Thank you so much, bro. It's such a huge help, man.
Wow, that's crazy. Is that at the salt? Where is that?
You had fun today, bro? Good day.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, Eli.
That heli's insane. Just the stick control and everything, to be able to kind of dive in there. Great teacher, soothing voice.
Super grateful that I'm able to do this kind of stuff. I'm always very critical of the footage that I get. I always feel like I could do better than what I got. I guess it's just me. Keeps me moving forward, but I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go find a place to camp for the night.